Well, Brian, that sounds really good, but what did the students actually do?
Yeah, so once they log in, they'll see a set of articles that are all related that they get to choose from. So the topic might be on the weather, and then there might be an article on hurricanes, another one on tornadoes, and maybe a third one on thunderstorms. They'll pick the article that they want to read, and then they'll reflect on what they learned, and then they're going to write about it in their book of knowledge.
So, how does this work? Because typically I work with K1 and 2. You kind of work with 3, 4, and 5. So how would that look for younger kids versus older kids?
Yeah, so the articles are leveled. So you have like kindergarten articles, first grade, second grade, all the way to fifth grade. And then for the writing piece, we've got this cool. This is a cool template for kindergartners. For example, so for the younger kids, like they'd listen to their Monday article, and they might draw a picture about the main idea and then write in a couple of words that were connected. Try their best. Maybe for second graders, I mean, really, like once kids start writing, there's actually a place in the program where they can type in a written response, or teachers can have them use like Google Docs, or they can have them write it on paper. But then the teachers can kind of assign an assignment. So maybe second graders are writing a couple sentences, maybe fifth graders are writing like a very short summary. So they can really differentiate it based on where the kids are at and what they're able to do.
Okay, great. So that's how the writing part goes. I think you had mentioned something about oral presentation. What does that look like?
Yeah, so that's really pretty simple, and like I said earlier, that's the part that the kids really like. Like at the end of the routine, it kind of wraps up with the teacher picking like 1 or 2 or 3 students to give like just like a 30-second presentation, talking about what they read about that day and what they learned. And then that gives the kids a chance to get up in front of the class and speak to their students, kind of get those oral presentation skills. And just a really small dose also, so it makes it kind of more comfortable maybe for kids that were a little bit uncomfortable with doing that. And then the rest of the class can, the teacher can kind of prep them on, okay, so what do we do when we're a listener? We sit quietly, we have our eyes on the speaker, and they can practice those listening skills.
Okay. So is there any way to display student work, like maybe in the classroom or even outside in the hallway?
Yeah, so there's a bunch of different ways. We've come across a couple of cool examples where the students have been able to put their stuff up onto poster boards, or the teacher kind of writes out some of the main ideas and then kids use stickies. And I've got some of those in my computer. I can show you some pictures and show you what those look like.